Here is M90, and then there is K90. I got the nicknames, and so we're gonna be making cake, a unicorn cake, 3 unicorn cakes, and so let's get started. Okay, guys. So the first step is to put the oven on
Preheat.
350 preheat. So yeah,
It's already there.
so it's already on there. Okay, guys. So first, after the preheat, you've got to pour this in. It's classic white.
Moist the cake mix.
Yeah, moist.
It's a cake mix.
Yeah, it's the cake mix. To make it white, because the unicorn's color is mostly white.
Yeah.
Because that's their color. So, next one is her. So you go ahead and pour it in, and you can say stuff about it.
Vegetable oil. It makes the cake just 1/3 cup. And then the water goes next, and I don't know what.
You just put it
The
in
water
there.
makes it more
Like-
cakey.
Yeah,
The
and
oil
then
water powder makes it all moist and
So
cakey.
all of us is gonna grab an egg.
Hey, I get a wet one.
Yeah, we all got a wet one. Okay, so
I'll go.
so we're gonna crack the eggs.
Oh no, I never cracked it. What? Make sure you don't get the
The eggshells in there, because it's gonna be crunchy, and nobody likes crunchy
Crunchy
anything. Like I said in the last video.
Next
step is stir. Make sure
You
when you're doing teamwork, make sure you don't spill it. If you want it to go fast.
Make sure you don't splash.
If you're not doing, you kind of need somebody to watch you in any
parent.
supervision.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Supervision. Usually, whenever you're doing it, teamwork,
It's
a
gonna
lot
go
better
out
with the
really,
hands.
really, really good. So it was hard from the other way. So we decided to go the easy way.
the mix.
So yeah, turn it on. Sassy M90.
To 2.
Yeah, 2.
Make sure you put it on to 2 whenever you bake a cake, unless
There you go.
unless your parent says you can put it on faster.
Yes, because if you put it all the way at 12, it'll go blasting.
And the cake will go everywhere. Yeah.
You have to clean the house for a long time.
Yeah, and that will waste the fun of the birthday party.
It's taking too long. Let's crank it up. We're gonna do it 3 more.
Oh.
You
That was
what? Let's
2.
just go with 6.
Okay, guys, so it's cake.
I'm scared to do it the next one. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it!
Do it.
No!
We're doing the other 4.
That's
Four is
scared.
good.
No, go to 6.
No! We're gonna keep it at 4, so I would go to 4. Okay,
1, 2, 3. Ah! It was pretty fast. Okay, so we have to do this spray this in here
Around the edges and in the middle.
Yeah. So she's gonna go first. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It got everywhere. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm good.
I would use coconut spray.
Okay. I just made my skin shiny.
Yeah, you do want coconut.
She's spraying it everywhere.
That's why. I want to use coconut spray.
made this before. Okay. I think you already got mine. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
It's all over the place.
Okay, so we're gonna go halfway of
Yeah.
the filling up for the cake.
So, cause if we do it right
So fill the
here,
pan
then
half.
it'll be all the way up here.
It's gonna rise. Oh no. We can cut it off. Okay, that's maybe not halfway, but it's something.
It's something. Hold on.
little bit more. Okay, that's good.
That's probably how much you put.
And
Okay,
then
do I get the
more.
rest?
No, not all of
No.
it. Just some of it until we say
And
stop.
then we'll add a little
Whenever
more.
whenever we say stop, stop.
Like move it around. Oh. Let's get a little bit more. Okay, stop. Okay, guys. So we're gonna add some food coloring into our cakes.
So it makes it colorful.
Yeah, she wanted to do it first, and then I decided I wanted to do it, and then she decided she wanted to do it, so it's fair. I think that one's gonna make like a purple color.
So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to start mixing.
Is it purple or not?
It might be purple. I don't
Like
know.
that? Yeah, it's purple. Oh my gosh.
It's
So like what I would do is do it around
pinkish.
if you're making a swirl. But not that much. Because it'll make like a big
So this is our cake batter.
Okay, can I make it with 3 colors? If you want, it's your cake.
This isn't purple at all.
It makes pink.
So guys, it makes pink instead of purple.
I thought it was
What
gonna
is-
make purple.
Black. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is mix it really good.
Yeah, what do you see? Yeah.
If you want to do a swirl, you can do a swirl.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Just like
Brooklyn, do this. Okay.
no, this is what I want.
To make the unicorn cakes, we're gonna put them in the oven, and we're gonna
For 30 minutes.
yeah. Time's up. Let's get them out of the oven.
It's time to decorate.
guys.
So let's get started. Sassy B90. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.
Time for a sugar rush.